Today I'm sharing my honest experience using Canva Free versus Canva Pro after 1 full year of consistent use so you can decide which version is right for you. I've used both for real projects like social posts, presentations, thumbnails, digital products, and client work. So this is based on actual daily experience. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with Canva Free. The free version still has its basic features like adding free elements, images, videos, and more. You can create unlimited designs, access many templates, upload your own photos and fonts, and use a wide range of basic elements and graphics. For beginners or casual creators, this is more than enough. The limitation appears when your needs grow, but honestly, if you have all the time in the world, you don't need to get access to premium templates, premium photos, or even background remover. Instead, there are a lot of alternatives, like instead of subscribing to Canva Pro for the background remover, you can just go to apps and use any background remover there. Also, Canva now lets you use its AI tools for free, except for video generation. Other than that, you're free to generate images, Canva code, draft a document, or even ask Canva to make an entire presentation as long as you provide the necessary details. Now, as I mentioned earlier, subscribing isn't as practical for beginners. But if you're starting to grow, upgrading unlocks millions of premium photos, videos, templates, and graphics directly inside the platform. Instead of searching for assets elsewhere, everything is built in. The background remover alone saves a lot of time, especially for thumbnails and product images. Magic Studio lets you generate backgrounds, separate objects from images, grab text from images, and even make any static image move. You can download designs with transparent backgrounds, schedule social media posts, organize shared folders, and collaborate more smoothly with teams. If you work with clients or produce content daily, these features make a big difference in speed and efficiency. And of course, you don't need to go scavenger hunting for free templates that looks just like those that are in Canva Pro. You see one, click on it, and then go crazy with customizing the template until you're satisfied with your design. Now let's be honest about cost. If you only design occasionally or for personal use, Canva Free is completely fine. But if you create content consistently, run a brand, or work with clients, Canva Pro feels like a smart investment because it saves time and expands your creative options. After 1 year of using both, my conclusion is simple. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Canva Free is perfect for beginners and casual users. Canva Pro is worth it if you care about speed, convenience, branding, and access to premium assets. It does not just give you more elements. It improves how efficiently you can create. That's my honest Canva Free versus Pro review after 1 year of real use. If you want a detailed feature comparison next, let me know and I'll break it down step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.